Hello, this is Samruddhi here, and today I am going to explain the interface of the Badi Behan app. So here is the splash screen. On tapping on the splash screen, we enter to the language selection screen. From here, we can select any of the language as we want. So now I am selecting Bengali. So now I am selecting the Hindi language. Here is the login screen where we can see there is a language toggler on the top right side, and here you have to enter the mobile number and click on the send code button. Now I am clicking here, will be redirecting to the number verification screen where we have to enter the OTP, and from here we can edit the number, we can resend the code again, and also we can verify it. So now clicking on verify, we have been redirected to the account banaiye, which is choose your profession page. From here you can see there is a language toggler in the right hand side, in the top of the right hand side. So there, clicking on it, it changes to Hindi to English and from English to Hindi. So here this language selection works. Now I have again changed it to Hindi, and I am clicking on digital Shram Biji right now. So here I am redirected to the My Badi Behan screen. Here is the dashboard, which is the Badi Behan assigned to the mobile to the particular user. Now on clicking to go to agreement screen, I have been redirected to the my subscription agreement screen. Here we have to select this checkbox and click on accept it. Then we will be moving to my subscription congratulations screen. From here we have to complete the profile. Here the user have to input all the values. So first the value is full name, date of birth, gender, email address. Now here there is given marital status yes or no. If the user is married, it will be yes. So after that, the user has to proceed with the spouse name, date of birth, few words for your spouse, the profession of the spouse, and the spouse earnings. After that, if the user has children, then here is a toggler. He can change for it, like if yes. If no, then there is no divs or no containers of the child's information. But if there is yes, we have to fill how many childs does the user have. So here we have to input the boy name, date of birth, few words for your child. Same for the girl. After that, the next question is, do you own a house or flats? The same way, if you own, then yes. And what is the loan taken, everything you have to give over here. Now I am clicking on the save. I have been redirected to the personal details screen. You can see over here all the details which the user input in the basic profile form section. This have been rendered on the different screen, that is the personal details screen. Now moving forward, I am clicking on the next button. Here is the number section. Here the user has to input all the numbers, that is current budget for your dream house, monthly earning, monthly expenses, what is the amount needed for the marriage, what is the amount needed for the higher studies, total value of bank savings, total value of investment except bank deposit, house and gold, current average monthly savings and investment. So this all values, if saved, it will be rendered on the number details screen. You can see over here all the details which we have entered on the form has been rendered over here. Now I am clicking on the next screen, next button. We have been redirected to the loan section. So if I do no, then you are free from every loan. And if I am clicking on yes, we have to add the type of the loan. What is the total loan taken? EMI started, EMI aimed at easy monthly installment, that is EMI. and current value of. If the car has been, like, the total length of the car was 10 lakhs, so by now what is the current value of the car? So if I save this, all the details of this car loan has been rendered over here. So now clicking on the next, we can see the insurance screen where insurance form where the user can add the number of insurances if he has any. So if I click no, then there is some seriousness that you should have the insurance. Now here I am clicking for the type of the insurance, the sum insured, premium type, premium amount and due date. If I saved over here, then we can see that we have health insurance, sum insured, premium type and premium amount. Now I am clicking on the submit button. I'll be redirected to the user dashboard screen. From here, the user dashboard, all the details which we have filled on the starting, like in the basic profile section, has been rendered over here. So here the total assets of this Buddhadev Changar was 20 lakh. His financial assets is 40k. His total net worth is 2.4 lakh. Liabilities is 10 lakh. Financial net worth is in negative, that is minus 9.6 lakh. The saving ratio, expense ratio and debt servicing ratio has also been calculated uh, to the logic. Here it has given the health insurance and life insurance which is at protected or at risk. Now I'm clicking on the hamburger menu. So in the hamburger menu we can edit the info of the basic profile, number, loan and insurance. If we have to edit or update anything, we can do it from here. And now here there are some tabs like my subscription, my buddy behind, my transaction, bad insurance, bad loan, square off, final financial plan, notification, support, terms and conditions, privacy policy and disclaimer. So clicking on my subscription, here is the congratulations screen and you can see till what date the premium is free for us. After that, on my buddy behind screen, you can see the my buddy behind screen dashboard. From here, all the info related to the buddy behind assigned is showcased. From here, we can call the buddy behind after sliding this call my buddy behind section. Now my transaction section, here all the transaction, for now this is under the development. After that we are moving to the bad insurances section. If we have added any life insurance, then we can see it comes under the bad insurance. So all the information related to the bad insurance has been rendered over here. After that we can see the tab called as bad loan square off. If I'm clicking on here, you can see that there is bad loan. First bad loan was the personal loan and the second is consumer durable. If we have the car or bike, it also comes under the bad loan and all the information related to it has been calculated from backend and has been rendered over here. After that we have final financial plan. So here there are surrender and without surrender categories. If we have some term insurances, like with if we have any goal in our life, like the retirement with the love, sorry, just a second. I'm planning, like if I'm getting retirement with my love, then it should be 1.6 crore, which the retirement fund I should have with me. So all the changes regarding, like I'll first show the without surrender. Here you can see that we have to total monthly investment was 5763 and it's hard to manage, like this can't be possible to manage by the user. So Buddy Behan gives us the updated with surrender, like what we can do and how we can manage. So here the total monthly investment becomes 4430, which is possible to do and it is easily manageable. So this is the with surrender and without surrender screens. Now here the you can see the bottom navigation bar in which advisory, monitoring and transactions are being underdeveloped by our app development community. Now we are going to the final financial plan tab. I'm clicking on it. Here the data inputted by the user has been displayed, and what are the goals in your life has also been displayed and rendered on the screen. So if I would like to add one a feature that we have, that if we are changing this from Hindi, the language toggle switcher, which is there in the top right corner, if we are changing it from Hindi to English, it changes the whole app to from Hindi to English, and we also can again change it to the English. If we want it in the Hindi, we can change it to Hindi, and if we want it in English, we can change it to English. So here is the final financial plan. So on clicking on the view goals, we can see the goal summary should be what what is our plan actually, where the total investment required was 8626, which is almost impossible to do by the user. So Badi Bahan gives you the revised plan, which is easily possible, that is आसानी से कर सकते हो, बस ₹1000 आय बढ़ाना होगा सभी. So this is the plan given by the Badi Bahan. Now I am clicking on this goal cards where all the goal will be showcased in a carousel. And same if I click on the final financial plan, I'll be showcasing the surrender and without surrender screen. So this was the app interface. Thank you.